In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prompt ChatGPT for business. This is a powerful tool that can help streamline your business operations and creativity. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a button labeled Ask Anything. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to interacting with ChatGPT, allowing you to tap into its robust AI capabilities. Now, once you're in, you'll want to set the context for your interaction. Think of it as telling ChatGPT who you'd like it to be, or the persona you want it to adopt. For instance, if you're looking to generate marketing content, you might want ChatGPT to act as a seasoned marketing expert. Simply type this role into the chat box. With the persona set, the next step is to click on Send. This action confirms your request, and ChatGPT is now ready to take on the role you've assigned it. It's like giving the AI its cue to step on stage, ready to perform according to your specifications. Once that's done, it's time to get to the core of your business needs. Clearly articulate what you need ChatGPT to do for you. Whether it's drafting a business proposal, generating ideas for a new marketing campaign, or even compiling a report, be explicit. The more detail you provide, the better ChatGPT can understand and deliver exactly what you're looking for. After you've specified what you need, go ahead and click Send again. This is your signal to ChatGPT to start working on your request. It will process the information and present you with its response, offering insights or content tailored to your business inquiry. Next, it's your turn to refine the details. You may have specific points or nuanced information you want included, so feel free to type any additional details into the conversation. This helps in fine-tuning the output to better match your expectations. Finally, when you receive a response that meets your expectations, review it carefully and highlight the key points or valuable sections. These notes or prompts are often worthy of saving, so copy them and paste into a Google document or your favorite note-taking app for easy access later. This way, you have a reference point for future projects or tasks, and you've effectively used ChatGPT as an integral part of your business toolkit. That's it! You've successfully navigated the process of prompting ChatGPT for business. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep interacting to uncover new ways this AI can amplify your business efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy prompting!